that baby?
Do you know who your best friend is?
I know.
Who?
Harper.
Yeah? Why is Harper your best friend?
I don't know.
Do you like to play with her?
And sometimes she takes my toys away.
Sometimes she takes your toys away?
Sometimes they grab them and sometimes she grabs them now. And sometimes she takes them away.
And what do you do?
And I take them away.
You take them back?
Yeah. No!
Is that what Harper sounds like?
Yeah, she says, no!
What else is Harper saying?
Wait, I'm gonna
What?
What a kind of baby.
What about baby?
Harper, what did Declan say about you? What's he saying?
You wanna wave to Mama?
I made.
Well, Harper, who's your best friend?
Chocolate.
Yeah? What does Declan say? What else does he say? E. Do you play with toys together? No? Does Declan take your toys away?
Yeah.
And then what happens? Do you take them back?
Yeah.
And what do you say? What do you say to Declan when he takes your toys away?
I don't know.
Yeah? Well, next time are you going to say, "Give me that toy back"?
I want to watch video again.
You want to watch what?
Video.
Rio?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you say bye-bye, Declan?
I was second. I was in second.
You want to see Declan again? You're going to go see Declan in a few minutes at Crandy's house.